Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not installed on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve not installed on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click in this page. Here in this list of app info, you will go to force stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.